We're back with another video. If you want to see what happens, stay tuned. T-shirt chick.
Alright, squad. Y'all heard what the man said. Today, I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I received a package today in the mail from Bagwear. And we're going to open it up and see what it is. And as soon as I get a chance, I'll be doing a review on whatever it is up in here. So let me get my blade over here. And I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Alright, so here's the package right here. So we're going to go ahead and open it up and see what's inside.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, it says do not open with a sharp object. Uh-oh. My bad. To another school. Whoa. Y'all look what it is.
What's that? A table?
A table? No, it's not a table. It's actually an Easy Grip squeegee, as you guys see. And it's actually in my color. Y'all know I like the lime green and match my shirt and my background I have over here. So I appreciate it, Bagwear. Thank you for sending this to me. I will be, let me see. I'm trying to see how, okay, you do it like that. I'll figure it out. I'm going to figure out how to do it. And I'll be doing a review as soon as I get a chance. And I appreciate y'all watching. Oh, it's something else in here, y'all. Yeah, okay. Actually, he sent me the squeegee part to go with it. I was thinking I was going to have to get that. I appreciate that. I almost overlooked that. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and hook everything up on it. And I'll be doing a review for you guys as soon as I get a chance. And make sure there's nothing else in this box. He might have sent a note. No, it's nothing else. I didn't know if he sent a note or something, but that's all we got. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button. Go ahead and subscribe to both channels if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in another video. Prince Squad out.